This is my video for demonstrating CS50W Project 3 Mail. We'll go over the specification elements required for this project. We'll begin with the ability to send an email. To send an email, we click on the Compose button and we enter the recipients. This is going to be from Foo to Baz. Hello there. How are you? And send. Now that's been sent, we can see that the hello and the hello there email is here. You can click on it and see the details. We can look at the user's inbox and we can see that the emails that have been read are gray and the emails that have not been read here have a white background. Clicking on this one here will take me to the details. Coming back, you'll see that it is now gray. All of the emails have been read. Clicking on an email takes you to the email details where you can see who the email is from, who the email is to, the subject, timestamp, and the body of the email. When you're looking at an email, you have the ability to reply. Clicking on reply will automatically populate the fields and put in the appropriate from, to, and in the subject it'll put a re tag in front of it and a prefix here for the date that it was originally received and who wrote it. So in here I can put in here I'm fine and send that. And it shows up here in sent emails. Click on it, I can see that our reply is put in there. When you're looking at emails from the inbox, you also have the ability to archive. If I click on the archive button, you can see that the email disappears and shows up over here in the archive box. When you click on them in the archive box, you now get a button to unarchive them. Clicking here will bring it back. If we go back to the archive box, we can see that it's empty. And that demonstrates all of the features for the mail project number 3. Thank you.